Welcome to Stark Industries, Porsche's Zuffenhausen plant. Forget Tony Stark's garage, folks. Have you seen what's cooking at Porsche's Zuffenhausen plant? This isn't just a factory, it's a futuristic symphony of robots and humans working together to build automotive masterpieces. We're talking next-level technology, where machines practically read minds, and efficiency is the name of the game. Imagine robots, not clunking around like they're in a Terminator movie, but moving with grace and precision. They're practically wearing suits. These robots work hand in hand, or should I say gripper in hand, with skilled humans. It's a beautiful ballet of brawn and brains, all in the name of creating the most iconic sports cars in the world. Buckle up, petrolheads.
We're about to take a spin through Porsche's Smart Factory, where the future of car manufacturing is already revving its engines. Hold on tight.
What exactly makes a factory smart? Think of it like this. Imagine a factory that's like a giant interconnected brain. Every single part, every machine, every worker is talking to each other in perfect harmony. That's the magic of a smart factory. It's all about data, baby. Sensors everywhere keep an eye on every little detail, feeding information back to the control center. This allows for lightning-fast adjustments and ensures that every single Porsche rolls off the production line absolutely perfect. No squeaky doors here. And the best part? These smart factories are adaptable. Need to switch up production for a new model? No problem. This flexibility means Porsche can quickly respond to customer demands and market trends.
Talk about staying ahead of the curve.
Now, let's talk about the stars of the show, the robots. But forget those clunky industrial robots you might be picturing. These are Porsche robots, folks. They're sleek, they're sophisticated, and they're accurate to a fraction of a millimeter. It's like watching a robot ballet, but instead of tutus, they're wielding welding torches. These aren't your grandpa's robots, lumbering around and bumping into things. These are agile, intelligent machines that can navigate tight spaces, handle delicate components, and even work alongside their human counterparts without breaking a sweat. Not that robots sweat, but you get the idea. They're masters of efficiency, these robots. They never get tired, they never make mistakes, and they never take a tea break. It's enough to make you wish you had a few of these helping out around the house. Hold on a minute though, just because there are robots whizzing about doesn't mean human hands are out of the picture.
In fact, at Porsche, it's all about the perfect blend of human craftsmanship and robotic precision. You see, while the robots are brilliant at the repetitive, high-precision tasks, it's the humans who bring that special something to the table. The passion, the experience, the eye for detail. Those are things you can't program into a machine. It's the skilled hands of Porsche artisans that fit the interiors, fine-tune the engines, and give each car its final once-over. Think of it as a high-tech duet, with robots and humans playing their parts in perfect harmony.
Section 5, Just-in-Sequence Delivery, a well-oiled machine. Remember that giant interconnected brain we talked about? Well, here's where it really comes into play. Porsche's Zuffenhausen plant uses a system called Just-in-Sequence Delivery. What's that, you ask? It's simple, really. Imagine a perfectly timed dance, but instead of dancers, it's car parts. Every single component from the steering wheel to the engine block arrives at the assembly line precisely when it's needed. No waiting around, no wasted time, no parts gathering dust in a warehouse somewhere. It's all about efficiency, baby. This system ensures that the right parts are always in the right place at the right time, making the entire production process smoother than a freshly paved racetrack. And just like a well-oiled Porsche engine, it all runs like clockwork. Section 6, Green Machines, Sustainability at its finest.
Now you might be thinking, all these robots and fancy systems must use a ton of energy, right? Well, here's where Porsche throws another curveball. They're not just building dream cars, they're building them with an eye on the future of our planet. The Zuffenhausen plant is a shining example of sustainable manufacturing. Solar panels soak up the sun's energy, while efficient systems minimize waste and reduce their environmental footprint. They've even got beehives on the roof. Talk about sweet. Porsche understands that building incredible cars and protecting the planet shouldn't be mutually exclusive. After all, what good is a powerful engine if you can't enjoy it in a clean, healthy world?
Section 7, Predictive Maintenance. No crystal ball needed. Imagine being able to predict the future. No, I'm not talking about winning lottery numbers, although that would be nice. I'm talking about knowing exactly when a machine might need a tune-up, before it even hiccups. That's the power of predictive maintenance. Remember all those sensors we talked about? They're not just collecting data for fun, they're constantly monitoring the health of every machine in the factory. Think of it like a car's check engine light, but on a much grander scale. This allows Porsche to schedule maintenance before anything goes wrong, minimizing downtime and keeping those production lines humming. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of predicting the future, it's ensuring a smooth and efficient present. Section 8, Porsche Zuffenhausen, a glimpse into the future of manufacturing.
So there you have it, folks. Porsche's Zuffenhausen plant isn't just a factory, it's a glimpse into the future of manufacturing.
It's a place where cutting-edge technology meets traditional craftsmanship, all under the banner of sustainability.
From the precision of the robots to the skill of the human workers,
From the just-in-sequence delivery to the predictive maintenance systems,
every aspect of this factory is designed for maximum efficiency and minimal environmental impact.
it's enough to make any car enthusiast's heart race.
So the next time you see a Porsche speeding down the road,
Remember the incredible journey it took to get there.
it's a testament to what happens when human ingenuity and cutting-edge technology collide.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a sudden urge to go for a drive.